On top inside Edo today, medical practitioners wey dey Edo Specialist Hospital don talk say the hospital don dey gidigba for ground for Edo people. As Edo State Government under Godwin Obaseki administration don put many plans to help with health sector for the state, and na this one make dem put Edo Specialist Hospital gidigba for ground. On top all these plans wey dem put, na im make the medical consultant dem follow tori people talk unto how the hospital don ready to attend to the people wey dey Edo State to get ogbonge health service from the people wey sabi the work well, wey oyinbo dey call health professionals. Head of clinical operation for the hospital, Dr. Okaiwe Martins, talk say dem offer first phase service give the people wey dey Edo State on top radio diagnostic services, dialysis, nephrology and others, and say dem go still start to dey offer phase 2 service give the people wey dey Edo State. E talk say Edo specialists dey ground because of the kind people wey dey there, say dem be professional, and the center na the place wey be saying go dey accept people wey don first go primary and secondary healthcare centers, and dem ready gidigba to give Edo people world-class health service.
Edo Specialist Hospital has opened to the general public, and specifically we opened operations on the 19th of June 2019. And since then we've been able to offer the first rollout of services, starting with the radio diagnostics and laboratory and dialysis services on the 19th of June as the first phase of the operations of Edo Specialist Hospital. Phase 2 and phase 3 we follow suit subsequently. It's important to say that Edo Specialist Hospital came about because of the caliber of persons that were engaged. They are essentially specialists, one, and for the fact that this hospital is designed to be a referral center to take referrals from the primary healthcare centers and even secondary facilities that are around us here in Edo State, because we believe that what we stand to offer has a global content and it's world class, and that the services that we're offering are sustainable and comparable to what is obtainable elsewhere. In addition to the clinics that are already available, which is the nephrology clinic that happens on Wednesday and the geriatric clinic that runs on Friday. And also to emphasize the fact that for now, on Saturdays, we open 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Now, other clinics that are already in the offing are minor surgeries and ophthalmology clinic that will be coming. ENT specialty is already on board, and these are all part of phase 1.
Renal service provider Dr. Richie Kide Odige talk say the hospital get better consultancy service and dem ready gidigba for Edo people. Dr. Odige come talk say the thing wey dey special about Edo Specialist Hospital na the first class equipment wey Edo State Government put, and say Governor Obaseki don do better thing to create chance for Edo people to get better health care, and even put gidigba for ground the health insurance scheme, the one wey go soon start and go make everybody for Edo State go fit access affordable and clean health care.
You can be very assured that the world-class service that we're offering here will not have those issues. So it's a select set of services. So patient care and patient-centered services are what we're focused on. So primarily, the patient comes first. So the physician is available for the patient care. So that's why we're here. So we set up this hospital to attend to most of the needs for the Edo indigene and people in the environment. So we want to specialize and provide care that people can depend on. So we offer continuous patient satisfaction surveys. We actually survey our patient real time to make sure that they're satisfied with the services they are getting. So we constantly assess how our own performances as we're providing these services.
One thing we do not take lightly is patient feedback. So for 70-80% of our patients that come here, we give them a satisfaction survey where they tell us how satisfied are they with our services, what can we do to make their experience better. And these feedback are constantly reviewed, changes are made, updates are made, some measures are put in place to make sure that these experiences get better.
We have a very nice blend of professionals and the use of technology. We intend and we are going paperless. So in other words, student, we don't need to start looking for patient's file, delaying patient time. No, not at all. Everything is computerized.
Services include modalities like ultrasound. We have a 4D machine here. We have Doppler facilities, so we can do Doppler scan, can do echocardiography, can do general abdominal scan, obstetric scan. Any scan that we can do with ultrasound, we do it here.
We also have hematology machines, which are fully automated, that gives you all the parameters that you need to actually take care of the patient within the shortest possible time. And also, we also run microbiology units that you are able to get all that is needed to ascertain all the medical aspects in respect of being infected within a very short moment. So with time, if our patients come here, definitely you're going to get the experience in a very robust way, and you'll never go back the same.
Now here we see the better informate reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. As medical consultants wey dey Edo Specialist Hospital don talk say the hospital don ready gidigba to attend to everybody wey dey Edo State on top health matter. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate wey una dey hear so na T Live Media na im put am for ground for una. And as una dey hear am so, to continue to dey get this sharp and clear informate, una no forget to subscribe, like and follow our channel for YouTube for T Live Media TV. And I'll still follow us enter Facebook and like our page for T Live Media.